Read for me.
An.
An. You say?
An.
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 An. Where is the apple? The apple is on the table. On the table. You say?
This apple
Is on the table. On. Okay. And now, repeat after me. Above.
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 above,
Above.
above,
Where is the apple? It's on the table. Where is the apple? It's above the table. Where is the apple? It's above the table. On, above. On, above. Okay. Over. 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 Where is the apple? It's on the table. Where is the apple? It's above the table. Where is the apple? It's over. So you say over when there is movement.
Okay.
Okay. When there is movement. Okay? Yeah. Under.
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 Under. Where is the apple? It's under the table. Where is the apple? It's on the table. Where's the apple? Above the table. Where's the apple? Over the table. Where's the apple? It's under the table. You say on, under. Below. 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 Where's the apple? It's below the table. You see? There is space. When it touches, you say under. Now say it's under the table. And now it's below the table. Now, this is a box. You say it's a box. Okay. Repeat after me. In. Inside. The apple is in the inside the box or in the box. Where's the apple? It's in the box. You say in. Okay. Now, this is the box. Repeat this. In front of. In front of. In front of. Where's the apple? It's in front of the box. Where's the apple? It's in front of the box. Okay. You say in front? And now, where's the apple? It's in the box. Where's the apple? It's on the table. Where's the apple? It's below the table. Where's the apple? It's in front of the box. Okay. Repeat after me. Behind. Behind. Okay. Where's the apple? It's behind the box. Where's the apple? It's behind the box. Where's the apple? It's in the box. Where's the apple? It's in front of the box. Okay. Repeat after me. Between. It's the box. It's the table. Okay. Where's the apple? It's between the table and the box. Or you can say it's between the box and the table. Where's the apple? It's between the box and the table. You say between. Okay. It's a globe. It's a globe. Okay? It's a globe. It's a clock. It's a clock, right? Clock. Okay. Now we have the table. We have the box, the clock, the globe. Okay. Among. Yeah, among. Between. Among. Okay. Get rid of them. Where is the apple? It's between the table and the box. Where is the apple? It's among the.
Thing.
It's among
The table.
the table,
The clock.
the clock,
The box.
the box,
The globe.
and the globe. Mais si nous avons un seul bagage, nous avons seulement dit, si nous avons seulement dit, it's among the tables.
Table.
Okay? It's among the boxes.
The boxes.
Voilà?
The clocks.
It's among the objects. Qui l'a dit between, c'est le gagné. When you have two objects. You say between when you have two objects. You say among when we have more than two. Yeah, more than two.
More than
Yeah. All right. So what is this?
table.
It's the table, right? Now, next to,
Next to.
next to,
Next to.
next to,
Next to.
beside.
Beside.
If you don't want to say next to, you can say beside. Now, what is the globe?
It's
It's
next to.
next to,
The table.
or it's beside the table. Where is the globe? It's next to the table. What is the table?
The table is
It's
between.
between.
Uh-huh.
It's between
It's
the
among.
apple.
Okay. Where is the table?
It's
It's between.
and globe.
It's between the globe and the apple. Where is the table? It's between the globe and the apple. Is the globe next to the table? Yes. Est-ce que globe là est près? Table là. Is the globe next to the table? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Close to.
Close to.
Near. You see the difference? You see?
Close.
Okay. Now we have two elements, two objects. We have the apple and we have the globe. Where is the globe? The globe is close to the table. Where is the apple? It's next to the table. Okay. Kounya la, nous avons deux ça là. We have two. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3. The table, the globe, the apple. Okay. Now the clock. And now the box. Where is the globe? Let me toucher des ça pour nous dire qui côté lié. It's between. It's between the table and the apple. Where is the clock?
The clock is next to the apple.
It's next to the apple. Where is the globe? Pas boire ça. Okay? That's correct. Where's the globe?
The globe
Is
is
close to
globe.
the clock. The globe is
Next to the clock.
close to the clock. Now, where is the globe?
The globe is
Under the table.
It-
behind the table.
It's below the table, right? You can say under now.
And there.
Pour chaque nous quasi under parce que l'on regarde distance globe là, il presque touché en l'air. Il quasi under. What différence là? Okay, now on quasi là le below, ouais. Now le below net là. OK. Gon différence pour nous tout. Qui l'a dit sur? Nous dit sur c'est on, pas vrai? OK. Si m'a dit qui côté globe là est, me dit li sous table là. It's under. It's on the table. Okay, I'm going to go to Where is the clock?
It's above the clock.
It's above the clock. Where is the clock?
The clock is
And follow.
on the globe.
The clock is
On the globe.
on the globe.
On the globe.
Okay, where is the globe?
The globe
It's on the table.
It's on the table or it's
above.
en bas là. It's où comme tu prends BI? BI c'est derrière. BI c'est derrière. En bas.
Inside.
No, la babilo parce que me toucher avec.
And there.
Under. He said under. Si vous avez qui côté réveil là?
Parali said, under.
Under presque touché, il touché sous Sous. OK? Under. Sous.
Est-ce que tout sous, même si pas touché, ça peut me
Non, si elle touche, s'il touche en bas.
Si pas touché, il pas sous tout. Donc pour prendre là.
D'où prendre là. Ça c'est en dessous.
Below.
C'est below. Parce que distance liée, vous comprenez? Yes. Il est loin, yeah. Côté le pi bas, tout coup si m'a font différence là, si me dit qui côté revers là, il est par rapport avec Ali bon. Coco c'est qui côté revers là, il par rapport qui côté revers là, il par rapport avec et apport propre non.
Plus haut.
Eh mais si le plus haut passe li under qui ça? Et under the table. Qui ça qui under the table c'est clock là. Non pas vrai non? Mais qui ça qui côté yo tout dessous. Yo tout d'après clair. Après ça. Mais quand on n'a pas les créoles, moi même blague, on va dire blague. So, nous comprenons qu'on y a là. On fait révision. En bas. OK. Donc allez. Qui ça veut dire encore? Non, bon prendre là. Là. Between. Qui l'a utilisé between? Entre, pas vrai? Deux bagailles. Très bien. Deux bagailles. Et ça? Among non? Plusieurs bagailles. Très bien. Avec la moyen là. Behind. Derrière. Par exemple, si je gagne clock et globe là, et puis, quand tu révèles là, li derrière, clock là. Dis ça, moi, révèle là derrière, globe là. The clock is behind the globe. Très bien. Nous allons dire, clock là, globe là, li devant révèle là. The globe is in front of the clock. I'm going to sing my. Is that many? In front of. Okay. Et ça? In. Ça veut dire in encore? Inside. C'est dedans. À l'intérieur, pas vrai? Par exemple, qui ça qui a un espace là? C'est ça qui. Tout boîte là. The box. Now I say, what is the clock?
The clock is inside the box.
It's in the Where's the clock? The clock is in the box. Is in the box. Pas vrai? Mais quasi inside the box. Pas vrai? All right. Classement quel est fin bon. OK. Avec ça? Ah yeah. And this one. Below. Quelle différence vous faites entre below avec under?
Below et en dessous.
Il y a quelle différence vous faites entre below avec under? Par exemple, plus bas. Mais under. OK, bon banon, c'est exemple pour nous capable comprendre. L'autre dit under, il presque touché surface en bas.
Côté là bas là.
Il est presque touché, yeah, par exemple. Yeah.
Par exemple même comme ça presque touché.
Yes. Il y a si par exemple mes tête moi là, ouais. Et là même ça y est? Yes. Si me dit même sous tête moi, my hand, qu'est-ce que ça dit là? On my head. Si mettre même là, comment dire?
Above.
Li above, pas vrai? My hand is above my head. Mais quand on si même a fait mouvement comme ça, ou bien on passer main, ou bien un petit oiseau qui passe dans la tête moi hein. A dit over. Ah, me dit. On va arrêter sous lui. Ah OK.